In this video, you'll learn how to purchase a postage label on eBay. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to ensure your package is shipped efficiently and accurately. Begin by navigating to your eBay seller dashboard, locate the order section, which is typically found in the main menu. Once there, look for the order that is ready to ship. It is important to confirm the buyer's address details to ensure accurate delivery. Additionally, check the weight and dimensions of your package, as this information is crucial for determining shipping costs and options. Next, verify your preferred shipping service. Different carriers may offer various services and rates. It is essential to choose the one that best fits your needs. Once you have confirmed all details related to the order, you will be ready to purchase the shipping label. After that, find the option labeled Purchase Shipping Label. Click on this option to proceed. You will now be prompted to select your carrier and the service level you wish to use. It is vital to enter the package measurements accurately, as this will impact the shipping cost and delivery speed. Review the total cost carefully before proceeding to the next step. Once you have confirmed that all information is correct, submit your purchase. At this point, the system will generate your shipping label. This label is essential for tracking your shipment and must be printed clearly for proper use. Finally, download the label file after you complete the purchase. Print the label on a sheet of paper or sticker, ensuring that it's clear and legible. Attach the label securely to the surface of your package. After you have affixed the label, the tracking number will automatically update in your eBay account. You can then drop the parcel off with your chosen carrier. Proper labeling is crucial for ensuring that your package is tracked and delivered successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.